Hello guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So we are recording and we have almost recontinued our system of uploading weekly charts as well as daily charts on YouTube channel. So as you can see, this is the chart of gold according to 1 day candle. Bond was moving very beautifully in that channel. I mean, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, 50% retracement. After that, gold take a small support level by using this point 2300, and once it made a real bullish engulfing pattern, as you can see, this is known as bullish engulfing pattern, and after that market retrace here at the point of at the support here, which is a point of 2320. Market used this point a very beautiful support level, and after that it used this point 2350 a level, also a support level. Market retrace here very beautifully, and after that it gave a very classical bullish engulfing pattern again. Very next candle gave a red candle. Just test this trend line, just test this area 2350, and it goes up. Okay, it went up. So these three candles are known as bullish soldiers, bullish pattern. So first all of this is the structure, basic structure of the market. I have already explained you the trend line pattern, the support area, the resistance area, as well as the three soldiers bodies formation. So let's remove these areas and let draw a all-time high, almost third or maybe second rejection area. So this area is very important for gold now. Why? Because this market many times hit this area, fall back, almost hit this area, sell back. Again, it crossed this area but gave closing below this blue line, which means this is known as, this will be considered as a fake breakout. Okay, we will only consider this point a good breakout once market cross this and gave a closing above this structure like that, and very next candles we will see a bullish candles. But in the past, market used this structure as a fake breakout. It gave closing below the blue line and then a small rejection doji candle, and very next three big bearish soldiers candle. Okay, so this was the basic structure of the market. Let's move to the analysis of gold. So first of all, let's remove this blue line and draw a pattern here, rejection pattern here. Okay, so this is the point where we have right now a red zone. As you can see, market 3 times reject this, and now again 2 consecutive days it rejected here, as you can see. Okay, so now we have 2 opportunities here. For example, if I draw a new support as well as a resistance area, then we will find out that we have a new area here, a resistance as well as support area. From downside it is known as resistance area, and from upside it is known as support area. So as you can see, in the past market many times reject this area from downside. Okay, so this area is very important, and almost here market test this trend line and fall back. Again market broke this line, gave closing above the line, and very next beautiful candle reject here. Okay, so this is just the basics. Now we have 2 opportunities for gold. If the first candle, if the daily candle on Monday again reject this and try to give closing below this area, okay, then we will find out that we can take a buying entry from 2390. Okay, if market hold here then you can take a long buy again. Your first target will be 2332 and your next target will be 2350, the all-time high point. Okay, this is just the simple mechanism. So if market without testing this area broke the structure like that, then it will from the upside will come downside to retest its major support area. Then it will retest here and we can see again a major rise in the gold. But this will be only happen on a big news. So we have FOMC maybe in the coming week or maybe in the next week, that week after next. So the market is in a complicated pattern right now, as you can see. So if you want to sell the market, you can take a sell point, you can take a sell entry from that rejection zone, okay, by setting your stop loss just above the red row. Okay, so if market somehow break the structure and it will from the downside come back to retest this blue line, then you can take a big sell again towards the area of 2350. So this will be the movement of gold maybe in the couple of next week. So the very important factor in the movement of gold is the US session election campaign. So this point on already a major factor in the movement of gold. So for continuing buying, market have to break the structure and retest this area. If it will do so, you can take a low buy. If not, then market will from that point reject here, test the trend line. If break, then you can take a slow and repeat it 2350. So this was all about gold. If you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. You can join our free Telegram channel soon. The link is also in the comment section. We have already opened the slot for new members to join our Telegram channel, where they can get free gold signals as well as knowledge based patterns and setups. So in the last, I request you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will get all the notification from the platform of Forex Planet. Thank you.